Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reading a book called Mad, 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 written by Leslie Patricelli. And before we start the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share to see more of my amazing stories. Now let's get on to the story. Sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I'm sad, and sometimes I get mad, mad, mad. I scream and roar. I fall on the floor. I cry and shout, can't get out. No, I won't stop. I don't want to play. Outside? No, I won't go. I don't want to stay. I want to stop. Blanky, I sit, I flop. I think if he stops, maybe that will be a better solution. I hug my blankie, but I'm still cranky. I walk about. Breathe in, breathe out. I think that's a really good thing to do when you're mad. I feel better. Yay, he feels better. I'll be okay. I did it myself. Made my mad go away. Huggy, huggy, big, wide smile. My happy is back, at least for a while. Grr. Now the cat has to do some of that stuff. Things that help the mad go away. Doggies, friends, music, yoga, coloring, naps, zzz, punches, laugh, pillow punches, laughing, ha ha ha, reading, bubble baths. Probably my favorite is friends and yoga, also laughing. The end. That was the end of the story, guys. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to see more of my amazing stories. See you guys in the next one. Bye!